Hello, welcome to the Irving Fire Department Fire Extinguisher Training video. Fire extinguishers are simple, easy to use tools for extinguishing small fires. The first thing you need to know about using a fire extinguisher is fire itself. In order to have a fire, you have to have three things come in contact with each other. The first item is a fuel supply, something to burn, which can be a solid, liquid, or gas. Next, you have to have oxygen, which is in the air that we breathe every day and is in constant contact with our fuel supply. Then you have to have an ignition source or heat source. Fire extinguishers operate by removing the heat or oxygen from the fire to extinguish it. There are 5 classes of fires according to what kind of material is actually involved in the fire. Class A materials involve ordinary solid combustible materials such as wood, plastics, cardboard, paper, things like this. The symbol for Class A on a fire extinguisher is a picture of a trash can with a fire around it. Class B involves flammable and combustible liquids such as gasoline, kerosene, alcohol, and some paints, varnishes, and thinners. The symbol for Class B on a fire extinguisher is a picture of a fuel can with a fire around it. Class C fires involve electricity. If you have a fire that involves an appliance or a piece of equipment that has electricity going into it or through it, Class C fire extinguisher is what you're going to need. The symbol for Class C on a fire extinguisher is a picture of an electrical plug with a fire around it. Class D involves combustible metals, such as magnesium or sodium. The symbol for Class D on a fire extinguisher is a star with a D in the middle of it. Class K involves large amounts of cooking oil or grease in a commercial cooking environment. The symbol for Class K on a fire extinguisher is a picture of a frying pan on fire. There are many types of fire extinguishers available for you to use, such as water, carbon dioxide, or dry chemical. The most common fire extinguisher in use is a multi-purpose ABC dry chemical fire extinguisher. All fire extinguishers are used in basically the same manner. If you discover a fire, the first thing you need to do is call 911, or have somebody else call 911 while you try to extinguish the fire, or you can activate an alarm system. Make sure a building evacuation has started, and then decide if you want to try and fight the fire. Fire extinguishers are designed to be operated only on small fires. A commercial fire extinguisher will usually last only 30 to 60 seconds. Never try and fight a fire that's obviously too big. Always keep an exit to your back and never let the fire get between you and the only way out of the building. Take the fire extinguisher to the fire before you do anything to it. Once you get to the fire, you need to make sure you're at least 10 to 14 feet away from the fire. That's going to keep you safe, and it's going to keep the high pressure of the fire extinguisher from scattering the fire. To remember how to use a fire extinguisher, just remember the word pass, P-A-S-S. The P reminds you to pull the pin. Simply turn it like a key and that will break the seal that holds the pin in place. A reminds you to aim at the base of the flames where the fuel is. The first S is squeeze the levers together fully. The second S reminds you to sweep the base of the flames. Even if you put the fire out, keep an eye on it in case it flares back up again. If you have any questions about fire extinguishers, please contact the Fire Prevention Division of the Irving Fire Department at 972-721-2651.